Hello sweet friends, and welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video I want to share a project that I did using Scrapdiva design dies, and I am going to show you the die. It was only one die that I actually used for this project, but it is one of my favorite. I love this die set. So I will leave links in the description box below to this die, and it's an affiliate link, and if you use the link it helps my channel and I really appreciate it. So let me go ahead and tell you the die that I used for this project, and it is called the Star Closure Clip Tags, and these are all of Erica's social media contacts if you care to join in with the social media side of Scrapdiva Designs. So I'm going to show you the dies, and I'm going to share it this way. I think this will work out for me better than showing you the dies in the package. So this is the large tag. This is the next to the largest. This is the medium, and this is the small. Now you can see on these tags they have the little cutout here so that you can slip this right on a package or a bow or however you want to use them. They kind of remind me of bread wrapper closures. So let's go ahead and look at the projects, and I had so much fun creating these, and I usually do tags every year, and I basically did this for my tags this year because they are so cute. So this one right here is the large tag, and these stickers, most of the stickers that you see here, I either got at Hobby Lobby or I got from AliExpress. The poinsettia are from Scrapdiva Designs as well, because that's my new favorite die. And then I used an older little heart cutout bow from Erica, and I created this. And as you can see, this clips onto a bag. And isn't that cute to give like a little stocking stuffer or put in some Happy Mail? And it just comes off like that, off your little bag, and then inside I have one tag of the rest of the sizes. So you have 4 sizes. So this is just some extras that I had left. So I have this one. This is the smallest tag. This is the medium tag. This is a small tag. And I have these little sayings that I always have for my tags. I always do about 100 or 200 of them and cut them out, and they're in an envelope. And then this is the next to the smallest tag, and all I did was put a little bow on it. Let me see, I think this is a small one. Yeah, this is a small one. This is a small, this is a small, and this is a medium, and this is a small. So this little package did not have a set, but these were my extras. And I just wanted to show you how you could actually gift these tags. So you just put it in there, and then you can clip this right over the bag. And it makes a darling little presentation. So here is one that has a set in it. So I actually made 8 sets of tags, and then I used some of the tags to decorate the bags. So this is another. This is the next to the largest, I think. Let's see. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the next to the largest, and this one is. Let me get my ruler. Okay, so this one is 2 inches wide by 3 inches long. That's next to the largest, so it's that one. So I made a little poinsettia, And this is a sticker. And then I use some of my small dies from my stash, and I put the little sentiment on there. So of course, you know, I have all pink tags in here because it's a pink bag. And it's a set. So I have the tiny one. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." This sticker was from Hobby Lobby. So is this one. "The most wonderful time of the year." This is the tiny one. It says "Christmas Magic." And then this one, which is also from Hobby Lobby's stickers, it says "Frosty." So the large one is 2.5 inches wide by 3.5 inches long. Okay, the next size down is looks like 2 3/4 by 2, and then the medium is 1 1/2 by 2 1/4, and then the small one is 1 1/4 by 1 3/4. So they are really, really sweet. I loved making these. These were so fun. And I think the smaller the projects are, the cuter they are. So I really loved it. So we're going to put this one back in here. And then I will, all you have to do is do a quick close on your bag, do a little knot, and then you can clip it on here. So before I show you some other ones that I created, because they are all different, I am going to show you something else that you can do. So I've got these little gift packages from, I think it was Marshall's. This one is a lip balm collection. And it came like this, and it has the little hat on it, and I just stuck this tag on it, and look at how cute that is. And then you could put "to and from" on the back of it, and it's such a cute little present, and you could actually hang this in the tree. I was thinking of giving this to my little granddaughter because she loves a lip balm. So yeah, I think that'd be really cute for her. And then I did another one. Also got this from Marshall's. I love their packaging of their little gift sets. And it's a little bear. And of course, bears are my favorite. And I just put this little girl tag on here. And this is the, I get confused. I think this is the next to the largest tag. It's really, really cute. And as you can see, this one already had a little wreath on there. So yeah, it's really cute. And now it's falling off. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you that you could do that with your little tags. Also, you could probably clip it in here as well. There's different ways to clip it on there. Thought it was darling. Okay, so I'll show you these pink ones. And like I said, they're all different that I created. So here's the large, and that's a sticker that I got from AliExpress. And I kept with the gingerbread sweets. And this is the next to the largest. This is the medium, little cake with a gingerbread. And then this is the small one. I just did a Scrapdiva poinsettia on a snowflake, and it says "Christmas Hugs." So that set is really, really cute. And then we have, if you can find these little bags, sometimes Dollar General will have them, sometimes the Dollar Tree will. This little tag clipped right on there. And these are the more traditional tags. And there's a set in here. And we have the large one, which has the red truck. and it says Christmas Tree Farm. The next to the largest says Be Joyful with this cute Santa and reindeer. That is a Hobby Lobby sticker. This is a actually Dollar General sticker from quite a few years ago. This is a little penguin that says Christmas Hugs, and then the tiniest one has a wooden star with a Scrapdiva poinsettia in the center, and it says Jack Frost. And you can see how cute these are for gift giving when you just go a little bit further and put them in a cute bag with another tag on it. Here's some more of the traditional colors, and I've had this in my stash, these little gingerbread bags. And for this set, I have this one that says a Winter Wonderland with a bow and a poinsettia. And then the next size down has this little penguin. And then I have, for the medium, a little candy cane. And I have this is actually a charm that I tied a bow on. And this charm I got off of AliExpress, and it says Lovin' from the Oven. So that's that set, and I'm going to be like making a little basket for the mailman, so I will like include one of these little sets of tags in it for him. Here we have another bag. This tag is the largest, and it says Merry Christmas on it. And these were some clearance stickers from Michael's that they had this summer. I had picked some up, and I just used whatever I had. I didn't go out and buy anything special. It's what I had in my stash. So for the largest one, we have this little reindeer, and it says Sleigh Ride. For the next size, we have this little Santa that says Jingle All the Way. For the medium, we have a Christmas tree that says Home for the Holidays. And then for the tiny one, we have Be Joyful with an elf bow. This is the small elf bow from Scrapdiva Designs. And I think that is it. That was all the sets that I had. Yep. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and that you like these little tags as much as I do. I think they are adorable, and they were really, really fun to make. So before I go, I want to say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And until the next video, happy crafting. Bye-bye.